In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to integrate Jira with Power BI. To follow along, make sure you're already logged into your Jira Cloud site in a browser. You'll also want to have permission to install apps in your Jira instance, or you may need help from an administrator. Let's start inside Jira. From your main Jira screen, look for the top navigation where you usually see options like projects, filters, or apps. We're going to use the apps section to get everything set up for the Power BI integration. Hover over or click on the Apps menu in the top navigation bar. When the menu opens, you should see an option that takes you to the Atlassian Marketplace or something similar like Explore More Apps. Go ahead and click that. This will open the Marketplace area inside Jira, where you can search for and install integrations. Once the Marketplace page loads, you'll see a search bar near the top. Click into that search bar. This is where you'll type the name of the connector we need. Carefully type Power BI into the search field. Take a moment to double-check your spelling so you get accurate results, then press Enter or wait for the results to appear. You should now see a list of apps related to Power BI. Look through the results for a Jira to Power BI connector. The exact name can vary, but it will clearly mention both Jira and Power BI in the title and description. When you've found the connector you want to use, click on it to open the app's detail page. On the app detail page, you'll see more information about what the connector does, screenshots, and an overview of the features. This page is useful to quickly confirm you've chosen the correct integration and that it supports your version of Jira and the type of data you want to work with in Power BI. When you're ready to proceed, look for the button that allows you to start using the app without paying up front. It will typically be labeled Try It Free. Click on this button. Jira will then guide you through a short installation process where it adds the Power BI connector to your site. Once the installation completes, you'll be able to start configuring the connection, choosing which Jira data to expose, and then using that data in Power BI for your dashboards and reports.